Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to do a mushroom burger. It does have meat in it, but it extends your meat budget. Come on.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to saute some portobello mushrooms I have over here, and then we're going to combine them with the meat, and then we're going to make our burger with some seasonings. It's just that simple. Okay, let me show you. I've got a big 16 ounce of portobello mushrooms all chopped up. I'm going to turn this fire down some. I'm going to put a little butter and oil in the skillet. I've got oil there already. But just a little of this, because you need some fat in this to combine with the meat, okay? I'm going to put in our portobellos. I'm going to saute these things until they are done. This is going to stretch your meat budget a whole lot. Now I can turn my fire up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a splash of low sodium soy sauce, okay? About a teaspoon. Not too much. Also a splash of Worcestershire, how do you say it? Sauce, okay. We're going to put in some onion powder to taste. Some black pepper to taste. Stir this around until it's completely done, okay? All right, I've got these completely cooked. Now you see the liquid in there? I'm gonna pour that out and mix this with the ground beef. I'll be right back. All right, I've drained my mushrooms. They are still hot, so I'm gonna add some ground beef till I have a 50-50 mixture. Listen to me, y'all. I can't even talk today. I tell you. Ooh. I was talking to City Girl earlier today, and we're going to do some type of a food pantry challenge with just food pantry items. So you all look out for that, okay? And I got another food pantry run coming up. I got to get some food to some people that I know. Okay. I'm also going to add possibly one slice of bread to this. That's optional. That's if you really want to stretch it. You know, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. And do this so it's well mixed in. I'm also going to add me some more onion powder. I'm doing this to taste because I like a lot. You don't have to. And I'm going to put in just a little Worcestershire. You see how I did that drop? And a little bit of the low sodium soy sauce. All right. I'm going to get this all mixed up and be right back. I've got our mixture all together. I did add in 2 slices of bread. But look at this. And I'm going to guarantee you, you will never know it once I cook it up. Let's make our hamburger patty. All right, now let's put it in the skillet. I'm gonna make 2 of them and put them in here. I've already got some oil in the skillet. All right. I want these a little flatter. I'm gonna brown them on both sides. All right, let me flip these over and see how they do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, these are turning out wonderful. See how they brown? Just like any regular burger. All right. I'm going to cook this on the side, then add the cheese, and we're going to build our burgers. Fine. All right, y'all, let's build this burger. We're going to start with some of that wonderful garden salad mix. Yes, I love that on a burger. You got your iceberg lettuce, you got your purple cabbage, a little bit of sliced carrot. Yes, yes. Now I've got some onion. Who doesn't love ketchup? I'm sorry, I like ketchup. And I like lots of pickles. Some mayonnaise, and I'm in heaven. All right. Oh yeah, Jay just had to get his right now. And just like that, we have a delicious burger with all the trimmings. Or you can substitute with a nice salad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give my fries to someone else, but that's all right. It tastes just, you cannot tell that there's any additives in this burger. And they're 100% natural. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, and look out for me and City Girl doing a Food Pantry Challenge. That's the City Girl Homestead, okay? Write to me. I'm going to chow down. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.